Dream big, they said. So I did. I finally feel like I'm getting to a good place. And with CIBC Smart Planner, it was easy to start doing instead of dreaming. My planning paid off. Looks like I can take that trip now. Paris, here I come. It's so beautiful here. And the food. I have to learn to make these when I get home. But why wait? I can set new goals from anywhere. Because I really want to carve out more time for the things I love. Pastries are a form of self-care, right? And now me is we. And we want to start a life together. We were able to buy a place sooner than we thought. And it's actually where we want to be. CIBC Smart Planner made it easy to set our goals and stick with a plan to make it happen. The personalized advice we needed was literally at our fingertips. And those new dreams, yeah, we're ready.